Hello, I hope you're well. So today's tapping video is all about helping you with self-belief. A lot of us limit ourselves because we don't believe we can do something. We can be a success about something, whether it's career, relationships, professional, personal. And we have limited self-belief, self-worth. So today's tapping video is going to help you let go of that. Because why shouldn't you have belief in success or achieving something, whatever that is? Okay, so have a little think. What is it you don't feel where is that kind of lack of self-belief or self-doubt coming from? Is it related to something in particular, something professional, personal? Have a little think about that for a moment, let that rattle around. Have a think where you feel that in your body. Okay, and again, just taking care of yourself, just start tapping with me now. So even though I just feel I've got this lack of self-belief, I choose to accept me anyway. And even though there's this lack of self-belief, I'm going to see if I can let some of this go today. And I choose to love and accept me now. But I feel like there's this lack of self-belief. I just want to let it all go. I just want to feel more confident, more in control. And I choose to love and accept myself now. Sending love and acceptance all the way back through my past. All this lack of self-belief. I simply don't believe in myself. I don't feel worthy. I don't feel deserving of this success, whatever area of my life it's in. And I feel like it's been around for a long time. This lack of self-belief goes all the way back through my past. And I beat myself up. And I just don't feel like I can achieve this success. This success that I deserve. All this lack of self-belief. This self-doubt. Lack of self-worth. Maybe it's just an old story. Maybe I've repeated it to myself so many times. Maybe it just feels like it's part of me. What if I could just let it go? All this lack of self-belief. Maybe it's keeping me stuck. Maybe deep down I'm scared of success. Maybe I'm afraid of success. Then I'll have to make some big changes. And that'll look different to what it looks like now. I'm used to this. I'm used to feeling like this. I'm used to being in these feelings. It's like a pair of old comfy slippers. But what if I could just start to let that go? I'm tapping today because I want to work on this. What if I could change it to a new story? What if I could create some self-belief today? Some self-worth. Maybe I do deserve this success. Whatever area of my life it's in. It could be professional or personal. Maybe I'm just holding myself back. Maybe it's just an old story. What if I could tell myself a new story? What if I could tell myself I have got the skills I need. I have got the motivation and determination. And I want to succeed. I'm determined to succeed. Letting go all these old stories. What if I could just tap into some self-belief right now? What if I am a success? What if I could just visualize that success? Letting go all this old stuff. Tapping into feelings of self-belief. Tapping into feelings of success. Tapping into feelings of self-worth. Maybe I have the confidence to do this now. Maybe I can smash these goals. Maybe I'm going to take the first step today. And it feels so good. So I choose to let go now. All the way back through my past. That's amazing. Well done. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. And again, just notice how that feels. Notice what else came up. Maybe might make some notes and write that down and tap on that as well. Repeat this over and over and over. and bring this stuff right down until you're feeling that place where you want to go, you want to, you want to make some powerful and successful changes. And do let me know how you get on. Okay, take care.